Okay, so just got to this location. It's Papago Park, and yeah, I'm gonna go fly. I'm actually sort of bending the rules here because I'm like 4.9, 4.8 miles away from the airport, and the planes are actually shooting just overhead. I've really been looking at this park for a really long time, so yeah, anyways, what I did do was that I did register with the air maps and created my flight right over here, as you can see. And yeah, I did this about a week in advance, and yeah, I've also been trying to contact the ATC, trying to call their phone number and things like that, but they haven't really been responding. So yeah, otherwise, I'd really just like to say that if the FAA is listening right over here, I'd really wish for the FAA to make it mandatory for the air traffic control towers of every single airport to go ahead and actually respond to our calls, because it's sort of leaving me in a bit of a pinch here, because now they actually included a lot of different spaces that that I now don't have access to as an ASU student inside the FAA no-fly zone, and it's really annoying. So yeah, I guess that's it. I guess here I go flying. Okay, so I just retrieved my drone from getting hooked onto a bush, and I just wanted to elaborate more on this issue that I'm having right now. Yesterday what happened was that I was looking for some more spots to fly when I realized that on air maps, the Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport, the no-fly zone around that is now an hourglass shape rather than a circular shape. So because of that, one of the hourglass panels is actually centered around ASU, my college. And it's causing me a big issue right now because it's making me have to go like 5, 6, 7 miles to go out to fly, as opposed to some of my more usual spots that I go fly with. And yeah, my usual spots typically take about 2 or 3 miles. So yeah, anyways, the problem that I'm having right now is that in order to fly inside the no-fly zone, you have to contact the air traffic control. What I've been doing today was that I was just going on air maps and just registering my flight, but apparently legally that's not enough. I'm trying my best to follow the laws, but unfortunately when I try to contact the Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport's air traffic control, what ends up happening is that they just leave me to a robocall voice message thing. And it's really a bit annoying to me because I want to go fly here, but they're just not responding to my calls. So I just really wish the FAA could just maybe regulate the airports as well. Say that you have to just respond to these calls because they're pretty important, all right? I mean, I don't want to be forced to just do something illegally, but unfortunately, that's where I'm at right now. In order to just not have to go out too far, I basically just have to just do something partially illegally. So, yeah, I guess that's it. More flying, I guess.
Walking round my chair, looking at the moving spoon, trying to jump my knees. All kind else she wants to do. Walking round my chair, trying to jump my knees.
Well, yeah, I guess that's it for today. I just cracked my GoPro screen and it's having issues with files and things like that, so I guess that's it. I understand today I did do a bit of an extreme action, but I feel like I sort of needed to do something that would get the FAA's attention at least, and yeah, otherwise, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching, I guess. Gotta go.
Smell the sand and lose that juice and begging like a spoiled child, turning round with no patience, and of course you're asking why. Walking round my chair, looking at the moving spoon, trying to jump my knees. All canals she wanted to make up to me so tenderly, showing all your wish. Make up to me so tenderly, showing all your wish. Can't want to see me.
Hello.
Hi.
Do you know where the Tempe campus is?
Yeah, that way.
All right.
So
Just wanted to
carry on down the hill on the right. So either you can take that or you can go on the bridge. There's a bike path and if you follow that, it's the other side of the lake.
Okay.
So where are you coming from?
Oh, I came from that side. I went like from like McKeplis Road and then went in and then came out through here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, not too.
All right. Thanks.
Okay.